And my mic is working. Hmm. Hello. And I saw in my OBS, but I was setting up. Alright. Today I'm going to tackle the crabby run game and hopefully get something semi-usable. Yes. I've seen that. What is it? Trying to find my notes. And the playlist on. Having a sleepy Monday. Yes. Yes, send it. Hmm. What is that? Um, Added to OBS as browser source and you'll see. Okay, hold on. How do I add it as a browser source? Okay, let's see. Okay. Um, an add file or something? Okay. I just realized there's no audio attached. That's my universal overlays. If I wanted to be like in every scene, um, that's, but you can't hear me because there's no mic there. So I don't have it completely set up correct. Okay. Um, hmm. Use the studio mode? Never done that. Okay, I'm just gonna add it to this scene, and then I can move it easy enough. Media browser. Okay, and of course it just wants to do that. Um, custom C? Is that where I'm supposed to drop all the code? I think you forgot who you were sending this to. It should be a local file in plus browser. Huh? There isn't. Oh, no, there is. You're right. Okay. All right. Okay. It's all added. There it is. What is it? What? Oh my gosh, no way. Oh my gosh. I gotta make this bigger so I can see it better. I have a very tiny screen on my OBS. Okay. Hmm? Good. And the fox is animated, yes. I see that. That's very cute. Is an Easter egg that can be disabled in code if you want. No, that's very awesome. The only thing I could say is I think the font needs to be adjusted. It doesn't seem to be easily read. Kind of. Hmm. That is so awesome. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put it. I think that works. Because you are scaling the source, not resizing. Hmm. Let's see. Oops, wrong thing. Cancel. Huh. Can I reset it? Okay. That's awesome. That's awesome. Okay. Hold shift while drag to resize freely without keeping the aspect ratio. Like this. Oh. But don't you want to keep the aspect ratio? Okay. I want to keep the aspect ratio because it's going to mess it up. All right. On to the crabby game. I will come back to this. Yeah, then it should be with height in the source settings. That would still mess up the aspect ratio though. Hold on. Now I'm curious. I want to open and look at the actual code and see. Hmm. Hmm. What happens if I just open this? There you go, that works. You can see it. Isn't this where the font height is? Fuck, damn it. So can it be, um, can you make it the font bigger? Or can I? Okay. All right, take your time. And thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. It's super cute. Right. Hmm. So I'm gonna add some code to the Twitch manager on the crabby game so that it can send the chat message to some. I read this earlier, I already forgot. Okay, so down here at the end, and put it right here. That should be okay, right? Hey, so you wanted to enter the stream without telling me? I see. I'm not in control of notifications. Mm, yes, I'm good. I hope everybody else is having a wonderful day as well. I'm hoping to get the Krabby game announcing the winner in chat. That's my goal. And Pin is working on the, what is that called? This. It's very fun. Okay. I have too many tabs open. I just jumped in. I don't have everything set up. I need to get my some background music going. So I'm gonna put on this playlist.
Malcolm,
And
keep
it's an
playing, see what happens.
advertisement. No, no advertisements. Just waiting for the end of the ad so I can unmute. It's another ad. There you go, skip. There we go. That's better. I might have put that too loud. Hold on. Oh. You know, for video and shorts, if there is a fun interaction between the chat and streamer, the chat widget. Yes, I I I like that. That's why I'm happy I set up streamer chatbot because now I can do a bunch of commands and stuff. And I'm gonna like make a list. So if you want any commands put in, let me know, and I will be doing that this week at some point. So yeah. All right. It's still a little loud for me. Okay. So now I added that, and I need to add something to the finish line. So I'm gonna save that and go to the finish line. As you can see, the background changes there are actually 8 different backgrounds selected randomly the moment you first chat in a live. It is. So it gets set once you chat. That's nice. It'll be easier to recognize. Okay. So I'm just. Okay, so this is all I need to add. Find the Twitch manager and send the announcement to chat. Okay. And it says to put it right here. Right? I think that'll be. Hopefully. Okay. Save. And that should do it. Fingers crossed. Oh. There's already an error. Twitch client does not contain a definition for send message and no accessible extension message send message account accepts the first argument the type Twitch client could be found. You are missing a using directive or an assembly reference. Oh, okay. So oh. I gotta remember to minimize. Sorry. Okay. So yeah. This was the error. The error of my ways. What are you making? I'm working on the crabby game. Here's the error, just to be silly. I'm gonna put it up there. Did it send? I don't see it. Oh. I guess my OBS chat widget's not working. Yes, I want to get this game working. Just a little bit. I did get the finish line working. Now I just gonna get it to announce the winner. And then it's beautification packaging. I think I got a little motivated. I wonder how. It's almost like okay. So I added it all. I think I can. No, this thing's giving me an error still. Yeah, it's a little. Yes. Yes. Christina, the kids are playing Magic every Saturday with me. That's nice. Magic the Gathering, I know nothing of that. I'm trying to learn more games for sure. Okay, screen capture, Google, what's going on? Why? Why this error? Explain it to me. Um, the error message. Twitch client does not contain a definition for send message. Click at the client and press F12. Okay. Wait. Is this the client? I'm not really sure of that vocabulary word. F12? I'm just gonna press it. Oh, cannot navigate to the symbol under the caret? At the word client, at the word. Oh, okay. It jumped. Now click the Twitch L client. Yeah. Okay. It didn't do any. Oh. It didn't do anything, and then it did do something. Now scroll down. Our search with Control F, I think you can search for send message. Okay, let's try the Control F. I want to try that. Send message. Huh? There needs to be a send message anywhere. But I think that will not work. Because your application can't send a message to Twitch. Only to your program. Oh, that makes sense. Maybe I'll just have it be shown on the screen then. Because I actually haven't seen any of the chat play games, I think, do that. I need a Twitch account. Yeah. Yeah, a canvas, right? They don't scare me as much anymore. Once I finally wrap my head around the fact they're just in a way far off camera perspective. That's why they look bigger. Okay. Alright. Well, knowing that's not gonna work, I need to delete all the stuff that I added that's giving me errors. This one. And then it was just this little section.
At Walden University, we get the W because we push forward no matter what gets in our way.
Every obstacle fuels our determination. Each victory proves our perseverance.
And any challenge is...
This will probably be way easier, and then it'll look fun. So this is gonna be interesting because I have Cinemachine camera. So I wonder if that's gonna affect my. Should it? Wait. What do you want to make? Well, I want to make it say the winner's name. I know it's already gonna know the names of the crabs, so it can pull the name from that and then say the winner is that name. You know? For the winner name, you simply make a canvas, add a text pro text to it. Yep, that's pretty much. Wait. Ah, there it is. It always confuses me. And then Text Mesh Pro, where are you? I'm sleepy. Okay, let's start at the top. Why am I not? Oh, it's under this, of course. There it is. And it automatically went on the canvas. That's nice. So this is going to be the winner. Winner. And it'd be nice to actually see this. Why can't I? Why am I not moving? It's like I'm stuck in place. Or am I just so far away? Oh, I'm so far away I can't even see myself moving. That's ridiculous. Okay. Maybe I should just... Oh, there it is. So... I'm going to put it in the middle. Then you add a script at the top using TextMesh Pro. In the code, you add a variable called TMP winner text and a TMP text crab list. Make both public, and then you can simply call that script by referencing it. Oh man. Okay. One thing. Back to the top. Like, scroll. I have a very, very tiny chat box. Let me scroll up just a little. Then you add a script at the top using... Okay. Wait. And change the text in the TMP component with the line, your variable .name equals your winning crab. Okay. Alright. Hold on. I gotta set this up so I can see it. I'm pulling chat up on my phone so I can see it right in front of me. It's so much easier. Alright. Sorry. Okay. It's not in the middle. Whatever. Okay. That works. Alright. That's my dummy line. Okay. Then you add a script at the top using TMP. Oh, at the top using TMP. All right. So this will be, I don't know, winner. Just keep it simple. And at the top using TMP Pro. Or TM Pro. Okay, I'm just adding extra. That's why. In the code, you add a variable called TMP text writing, text, and a TMP text crop list. Okay. And make them public. Public. Well, is that... Is that gonna be like a... Let's see. And then you can simply call a script by referencing it and change the text in the TM component. I got so startled. Public TMP text, that's it? Okay. I was wondering if I had to write like string or something. Okay. Thank you. TMP. Give it a name. How do we... I'm an idiot. Okay, should I write name to give it a name? Or should I just name it? Like, make up a name. Give it a name. So thrown off. I will not answer that. What? Where the heck is... Where's winner? Alright. Thank you for not answering that. Call it winner text. I hope that doesn't get confusing. Nah. Yay! Did I? Yay. That's a big win for me. Alright, now the next one, right? In the code, you add a variable called TMP text, winning text, in a TMP text crop list. Wait, I should have read better, I think. Okay, TMP test crop list. Okay. I'm still half asleep. I had to... I got motivation this morning. Alright, and then and change the text in the and then you can simply call the script by referencing it. And change the text in the TMP component with the line. So, oh. I'm copying that. By the way, what's this category? The truth about game development since when Twitch had it? I don't know. The truth about game development since when Twitch had... Wait, what category did I click? Let me look at this. Am I not in just game development? Hold on. You are in that category, huh? Wait a second. Where can I see this for myself? The truth about game development? What? I guess when I type game development and normally coding and game development comes up first. Hey. It's actually a game? Oh my gosh. Okay. Should I change it or just I'm just gonna go with it? The truth about game development. Okay. Focus now. Software and game development has more views. Okay. Okay. I think I can change it. Let me do that then. I think I will. I take good advice. This is so funny. The truth about game development. Okay. And let's see. Okay. Done. There it is. Thank you for pointing that out. And welcome in, Ewan. Welcome. Alright. The truth. Game developers do not know how to develop. Yes, that's the truth. Truth. Yes. Nope. Alright. Now I want to see what I need to be doing. Do I need to do anything else in the code? Because I thought I read something. I'm trying to fix the issue. Public. Give it a name. Not answer. No, before that. And then you can simply call the script by referencing it. Oh, that's in the inspector, isn't it? Okay. Pinnaker, the truth. Game test brain equals soup. Oh, that's why it keeps leaking out my ears after working, so. What is this error? Yep. What? Oh, I didn't name it. What did I do? I wrote TMP crab list. What is wrong with me? It's a special. What do you call it? What do you call it when you add special things? You take good advice. I offer stupid advice. Also, your crab list is... Are you talking about the Okay. Okay, I will get that. Just a second. Did I save this? And okay. I'm gonna save this real quick. Then I'm going to grab that code. Or download it. That's what it is. Download. Where's the download button? There it is. Alright. Downloading. Opening OBS. Clicking this thing. Actually, I deselected it. It was already selected. Okay. Now, browsing. Found it. Opening it. Okaying it. There it goes. Tests. Hello. Haha. You guys tell me if you can see it. Make it a little bigger. Drag it down. It's nice to have a little. We need a second TMP text, etc. element for the list of crabs and one for the winner. So 2 in total. Yeah. Winner and crab list. Did it not? Well, I haven't thrown this on anything yet. Huh? You have only one in the scene. Oh, okay. Okay, so I need crab list. One of these? Is that what you mean? Okay, so this one. And then I'll rename it. Thank you. Because that's the name. And then I put the script on them, I'm guessing. I'm gonna do it. Just yell at me if I'm doing the wrong thing. No Unity visible? I'm sorry. Yes, I need to remember that. You know what's crazy? When I'm not streaming, I remember that every time to minimize. I get scatterbrain. Okay. Just push a little to the side. What? This? Oh wait, no, okay, I got you. This. Right, you know what? This one I'm gonna do. Oh wait, okay. Here, let's just put this over here. I'm guessing this is probably what you want to be able to see the important stuff, right? Is that good? You can add words to a text with variable.text string. Then the string you add will be added to the words you have written. You can add words to a text. So variable.text string in the code, or because I was just getting to the point where I write something in here. With your initial beautiful instructions you gave me. Thank you. Okay, so let me scroll back down. With variable.text plus string that's okay, so that's just confused me. So I'm sorry. You can add words to a text with variable.text. Okay. What words? So in the case, it would be something like crablist.text. Like the crab list. Okay. And I do that in update. Like crablist.text plus parentheses what I want to say. You want crabs that enter the finish line to be shown in a list. What are you wanting to make the crab list say? So you don't do anything there? Your crab adds that to the text object. Okay. So where you had the send message thing go there. Okay. Well, I had that in two places. In the Twitch manager, I think I need to close this one. And in the finish line. So, okay. I see that. DQ pin. Send message thing. Okay. Send message. I had that at the bottom. I think I already cleaned that out because it wasn't gonna work. So, oh, right here too. Just, oh yeah, right here. This is like where it knows the game's over. So, let me see. I have it. Wait a second. Crab list text.
Put it in the right hands with LegalZoom. It's too important
Wait.
to let it fall into the wrong hands.
Variable.text. So crab list, but it's not. Would I have to like reference it here first then?
LegalZoom guides you through every step to ensure your loved ones and assets are protected. So if you need a legal hand,
I'm so confused right now.
LegalZoom has access to independent attorneys and self-service tools. LegalZoom is not a law
So
firm,
you need to find the winner object and then you can change the text it references. Okay. So I tried to, but it didn't work. So I don't know how. Hmm. Oh, that's fine. If you need to go, I am perfect. I'm not in any hurry to work on this. I'm giving myself plenty of time. Thank you. And good luck with what you're working on. You helped me a lot. Thank you. Read my message before. On Discord or here? Oh, okay. I see. The winner object, you can get it from other game object. Oh, as after first that crossed the finish line, the if stops working, remember? Oh, I'm so happy you're working on your game. I was hoping that's what it was. Because I want to play it. I loved how everybody in the meeting was like, so when are we going to be able to play the game? Alright. Get to those game objects. Right? That's like the pressure right there. I was like, oh my goodness. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, I did hear that one. Okay. Focus. Hey, you think you'll get yours done, or I'll get my crappy one done first? Give you a little challenge. Okay. In myself. Oh, I suppose that's fair. I suppose that's fair. Just for this game, though. What have I got myself into now? No more help? Nah, it's fine. Okay, no, challenge. No more helping me. Go do yours. I'm gonna get this done before you. Yes, see? I'm allowed to phone a friend. Unlimited. Okay. I probably just give myself the worst jinx. Alright, so back to this. Okay, the winner object. You can get it from other game object. Other game object. Thank you. So we agree that if run only for the first crab, right? Okay, wait. This is the finish line. So if race over other game object compare tag player, race over equals true. Get the name from the text mesh pro component on the crab. That one's confusing. What was that? Sorry, I just got too many tabs open. I gotta like close some things. What is confusing is what is your questions? We will solve them one at a time. Thank you. I don't know. I got myself so confused. I need to just like slowly focus on one thing. So, let me look here, right? So the script was added and there's these. So I gotta drag those in there, right? I'm guessing. Do I have that set up? Or does this stay empty? That's one thing that confused me. Yes, just the winning crap. I mean, winner text just has to say winner, really, and then the name of the winner. And then you don't need that script. Ah. Okay. You can have the finish line print the crab's name. Alright. That's because the finish line already have a way to get the crab name. Okay. So to do this, add TextMax Pro. Okay. Like this. Hmm? Hmm? Oh. Say. Yeah. Ah. Oops, what am I doing? Hmm? Hmm? Wait. So to do this, add text like you did for the script. Okay. You know what? You're right. I'm being an idiot. Whoa. I just confused myself for a second. I still got it wrong. I'm gonna get this eventually. Nope. An extra P. Is that right finally? TM Pro. Why was that so hard for me? I was up till like 1 a.m. It's my only excuse I can supposedly say. Uh-huh. So these, do I want to basically do this? Yeah, I saw you this morning when I woke up online on Discord. Yes. Yes, I was playing games in Discord. Really late. Okay, copy. Yeah, yeah. It's like confirm with me that what I'm doing is correct, somebody. Or just yell at me, no! You only need one. Okay, good to know. We're gonna make that winner text because I'll remember it's announcing the winner. now that's there. So now it knows. It knows the player. Just please remove the public and write serialized field private TMP text winner text. Okay. Wait, how does it make it? Ah, yes. Nope. Nope. Private TMP text winner text. There. And what is it saying? Not serializable. Okay. That's what I get for not typing it out. Okay. Serial eyes. Right. And the word field needs to be in there too. Thank you. I can write a word. Okay. Now down in the if you have the winner name, right? That's what I was trying to figure out. Like it just race over, compare tag player. This does not work. I don't know what this is. It's just a mess. No, we did it last time. I know. Well. It still confuses me. I'm sorry. Yeah, it grabs the label on the top of the crab. But I don't. It just. Winner name right here. What is this? Is that like that? I'm gonna do this. Like. String winner name. Where is it getting that from? I'm sorry, I'm getting distracted. This term right here. What is... Is that just a choice name that we chose? That's what I can't remember. Or does this have like a predefined definition in Unity? You know, that's where I get confused because sometimes you're just naming something. Like we named it winner text, right? And now right here is winner name. So those are just the names that was assigned it by choice. You know? So Look at the color. It's light blue. It's dark blue. And this is light blue. And this is dark blue. And then over here, this is dark. So, oh, go and take that famous slides. I don't know what you're talking about, famous slides. Keywords. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm having a moment. So winner name is the name you give to the variable. String is the context under which the compiler see the data. So what I put in here, if I want this to show every data is binary, so the computer needs a way to know is working with text and not integer. Yes. So just thinking. Okay. Just think. I want what? This to say the winner's name, right? Right here knows it. So, you know what? Take this thing and put the winner's name in it. That's what I need to have the code say, right? So winner name is defined by you, not the internal unity. It is like X in math. Yes. But why? Sorry, can't help myself. If you tell me something about X, I'm gonna say, but why? 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 Because I am a silly fox. Silly fruit, right? No, X and Y. It's a joke. It's a stupid joke. Okay. Yep. Yes. It's kind of like if you don't push the button. Alright, so get game object. I don't know. Oh, it just, my finger hit something. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going to try. No, rest. What? go to TMP text. You need to use property dot set text. Okay, so TMP text is text, reread the message. Go to set TMP text is text. You need to use the property set text. I don't understand. Go to set TMP texts text. Where is set TMP texts? Oh my gosh. This? There is no go in the message. So to set. Thank you. I'm really having a very off day. So to set TMP text, you need to use the property. Huh. Okay. Oh, game object dot set text. Is that what you're saying? Yes. Thank you. Right. And then was it equals? And then the parentheses of no. Then it's gonna be winner name. But how would you format that? If I'm even correct. Okay. I knew those emojis would be useful. Okay. Winner text dot set text. Winner name. Oh. So do I delete all this? Because I need to name the game object, the winner text. Not just say game object. What? It's like, I don't know, like a certain console dot write line. Huh? That confused me now. What? Alright. Just see what this does. I'm assuming this is what you meant. Because that's the game object. I want to set the text. And I want the text to be winner name. And I'm going to try this. And I want to see what happens. All the codes are saved. Wait, I think... I don't know, we'll see what happens. That's the fun of it. Oh yeah, the finish line's like right there. Okay. You can do exclamation play if you want, And I flew away, so I want to go over there in the inspector. Where's the finish line? Ah. Well, it says winner still. Nothing was put in the inspector for winner. Doesn't this have to be something? Our crabs are stuck. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Go to the finish line. Should I go to the script? Or just this? And in the inspector, add to the script the winner game object to the winner text. Wait. Finish line, inspector, add the script, the winner game object to the winner text. Oh, winner text, winner game object. Okay. Should I test it? All right. So I want to spam. Okay, they are coming out different colors. I was afraid they were not coming out different colors anymore. This might mess up. I love how chaotic they are. Okay, where's the finish line? Well, it says test crab. That's good. It still says winner over top of it. I think. Now it says test crab. So it worked. Is that means it works? Okay, another test. This time, no. I'm gonna get rid of this. There shouldn't be anything in here now, right? And yeah, no tests. Let's see. Let's see who wins. Check crab list. Huh? All right. In a minute. I already pressed play. Where's the finish line? Oh, oh, oh. Ah, I won. It still says winner there, though. Okay. I think it's this one. The winner text is probably beach of the game object. Crab list. Don't need crab list anymore, do I? Just be like, bye-bye. Huh? Delete? Yes. Wait, I'm hovering copy. All right. That was quite the journey. Okay, I want to test it one more time. Yes. This is just for the fun of it now at this point. Okay. And then, I don't know, probably more user interface or something. Ha ha ha. Mine's pink. I was thinking of slanting the whole thing so the crabs would kind of tumble down. You're a cheater? You cheater? What? I'm not cheating. Look, I have not moved the finish line this time, so your crab's just doing circles. On its side. Here's the finish line. Oh, see, there's the timer that would have kept, like, if there was a bunch of them from going. But I want to try something and see how far they tumble. If I do this... What is... Other... There's a number. Where did the numbers come from? Oh, that's the rest of my name. I'm an idiot. You testing my boat technique on Minecraft? What? My boat technique? What's my boat technique? Oh, shift does not make you go down. I have to press Q. Now this... Okay. Wait, maybe I should use this to do it. Which does it? Wait, no. Woo! I turned the whole world on its... What just changed? Like, everything just changed. You made circle yesterday to avoid mob, no? Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna stop game mode. I wanted to see them tumble, but... Let's see. Is this thing already tilted? I'm gonna have to... Oh, there they go. They're starting to tumble down. To a little crab. But... It's actually gonna give me a problem if I try to use that way. This will just mess with their force, or whatever. I need to stop this. So... I need to check something real quick. Go back to my finish line. Torching crab, what a bad fox. Torturing crabs? Foxes eat crabs. Okay. Alright, real quick. Let's... Needed to fix this. Let's make that bigger. And let's move it. That should look good. And just to see it. Yeah, they appreciate you, but I would avoid that future for a crab with my name, please. Oh, man. You make me want to put like a big fox mouth at the end. All the crabs are just going to be falling into. Like a big cave with teeth. Alright. I'm going to make this have some looks. Something might help if I actually could see it. Why am I so slow? Wait, yeah, that shows it. Oh, that's fun. I don't have any other texts. If you click auto size, it will change the size of the text automatically to fit the winner. Nope. So then, do I want to make that? And then, I just saw something over here, back in this. So could I maybe possibly add a message? The winner is alright. It needs a space, right? And then nope. I meant to do plus. Plus? No. Like that? Wait, and then do I need like a little quote? Wait. The parentheses. I think I got my parentheses messed up. Do I not need these? Or do I need one here? Like that? Yeah, remove the one before winner name. That. It took a minute to save. Alright. Now back. And okay. I kind of thought these looked out of place. I don't know. By the way, I need to go for... Take your time. No worries. I am going to work on some beautification. No code. I'm done with code for today. Yes. I want to get some different font. Like a fun font. I don't know how everybody else gets their fonts. I just... Where's this one place? 1001 fonts. Okay. Script, cursive, bold, calligraphy, graffiti, tattoo. That's tattoo font? Oh, that's actually pretty. That's cool. I like this one. That's kind of cool too. Now, let's see. I need commercial use. Let's see. There it is. Free fonts for commercial use. Alright, just so I don't have to worry. I like this one. It's so cute. I hope it's easy to install in Unity because I've never added a text. Extracting. There it is. Alright, so... Hope it's as easy as throwing text in anything else. So... There's fonts. Oh, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. I already know this is not gonna work. But I still want to try it. Let's just see how terribly it doesn't work, or maybe it will. It's probably there, but I don't think it's going to work for Text Mesh Pro. Bold doodle. Let's see. Nope. Alright, now let's search for Text Mesh Pro texts. Let's see. What? I don't want a definition. I want to find some. Front asset. Why does it seem so difficult? I think I asked the wrong way. How to add more Text Mesh Pro fonts. Fonts to Unity. I know you probably just do it through like the assets manager or something, right? Let me see. I remember playing around import packages. Nope, that's a custom one. So assets. Those are create. That's interesting. Okay, download your desired font file. Drag and drop the font onto your Unity project window. Open the font asset creator in the Unity top menu window. Text pressure asset creator. And I was kind of stumbling upon that. Would have taken me a lot longer though. All right, components. No, what was it? Window. Text Mesh Pro. Font asset creator. Alternatively, you can right-click the font file in your project window and select Create Text Mesh Pro Font Asset. Though using the Creator tool allows more customization. Okay, let's use the Creator tool. Generate the font asset. So, source font file. Drag your imported font file into this field. Source font. Let's see which one of these. There's... Let's just double check. Okay. What's the difference? This is regular, and then what is this? Bold or italics? It's probably bold. Regular? Oh, they're both regular. Okay. I'll just drag it here. There we go. And, okay, generate. Okay, source, drag your imported font file into this field. Character set. Choose which characters to include. Okay. Render mode. Ensure this is set to SDF. or SDF 1632 for higher quality.
They are bigger,
Where
heavier, and
is,
take longer to stop.
which one? Render mode?
Pilot cars are present to warn drivers about oversized loads and help
Let's
guide them.
just
Don't
do
around an oversized load or a pilot car.
basic.
Let them guide you. Slow your
Wait,
pace.
I want higher
Give
quality.
them space.
Yeah, let's do
Learn more
let's do
at
16.
ESC.org.
And then generate. Click generate font atlas. Unity will process the font and show a preview of the texture atlas. Save. Once finished, click save or save as and name your new asset. It will typically have .asset extension. Okay, generate. It's pretty cool. Okay, assign the new font. Okay, I'm not there yet. So I'm gonna save this. It's my first save, so I can just save. Right? Yes. And then I'll put it in fonts and materials, and I'll leave it as bold doodle regular SDF. Seems like a perfectly good name. And that's doing its thing. All this just for nice words. And the inspector. Okay, nope. I exit this now. I saved it, I can exit it. Select a text mesh pro object in your hierarchy. That would be my winner. In the inspector, I know how to do this now. There it is. There it is. That was worth it. So worth it. Definitely need to change the color. What? Am I in the wrong thing? Changing color. Vertex color. This. Hey. Welcome back. I got custom fonts. Now I'm trying to recolor it. I think I started coloring in the wrong area. I just don't see a difference. I'm seeing it change. Oh wait, I think I know why. Because I have the style set to this instead of normal where I can do it. I can be in control. I had it on header. Oh no. Sorry. There. I probably had that hidden the whole time. That's fine. Definitely. You don't have to ask. I noticed one thing, it only keeps a count per stream. I think it resets. I want to make it, like, keep the count going. Alright, so I think the winner should be, like, red. Like a crab color. You know, like a dark red. Yeah. Alright. I'm trying to move around the game. So, I'm happy with those. I'm just going to delete this. And it should look like that. And I feel scammed, but also accomplished. What a strange combination. I keep trying to move in here. This is where. Okay. So I'm happy. Yay. Gonna give it a test run? Yes. Let's bring up the game. Let's bring up the game view. Test run, let's see. First one. You know, you are reigniting my passion for Unity. Well, that's good. Definitely. It's fun. I think, you know, I I tried just a little like to make something in a couple different game engines before I settled on really dedicating to learn Unity, and I'm glad I picked it. Um, it feels like whoever created it really wanted people to not give up and keep going and find solutions in more than one way. And that's nice. The only problem is the license controversy a few years ago that could happen again. Oh no. What license controversy? I do not know this gossip. I want to rotate this on the Y. Like just this. I mean, no, it won't work. They wanted to implement a per play fee. I mean, like for testing? Oh my gosh. That's crazy. That's crazy. Now you're scaring me. They won't do that. No, never. It's okay. It's okay. I'll just use your game engine by then, right? Okay. Let me think. So, now actually I am gonna mess around. I want to get these crabs moving with a little more force. Forward. Let's see. Maybe I'll pull a prefab in the scene. Does this see what it's doing? So my game engine is only for RPG 2D. That's okay. Alright. What am I looking at? It's a crab. I need to go. And if you want to make a new Stardew Valley, I'm assuming you could when I finish it. I would definitely check it out. I don't know if I do something as in-depth as Stardew Valley, which I just recently got and kind of did part of the tutorial beginning. Alright, crab movement. That is the script that's on the crabby, right? Where is it? Crab movement, okay. Oh, there it is. So, move speed. Just make them faster and see what happens. Tripled the speed. I'm gonna spam them for this. It's like, can I remove this from? See, they go in the wrong direction. It's like they want to go the other way. And they're tumbling. Which I don't mind the tumbling. That's fun. But they need to Move. Well, if I change, let's just change it to forward. See, am I still in game view? Oh, I don't want to change it while I'm in game view. Okay, I'm gonna stop that. All right, so let's just play with this. I had them going backwards because I had, is that even a capital F? I think so. Maybe I'll warm up again in Unity making a game. What do you think about a snail racing game where people can play through Twitch? That'd be cool. Snails. I think that's funny. Racing. Move backwards. No. Should this be forward move? Wiggle move. Backwards move. Or does that not matter? Snail, crab. Yeah. They actually have crab races. They put them in a track like that and people bet on which crab's gonna get to the other end first. It does not exist. Move forward does not exist. What should it be here? Forward doesn't exist. Forward. Respect to what? Respect to, it said backwards before, and now I'm trying to see what will happen if I say forward. I messed up another one. You have forward for a game object. I messed this up. Look. I'm going to undo all my changes really quickly because I see how I totally messed up. There. Yeah, think about it. What was backwards before? The direction. They're moving in the wrong direction. So just change this one. Apply the position change and not mess with this one. I'm not at the keyboard. Okay. Okay, so get the component. Backwards move. So I had it. Oh, it's, thank you. So it's just the name. None of that matters. So, do I just remove the negative on transform forward? So, huh. That was a light bulb moment. Please. Alright, now let's see how they move. Well, I initially had them backwards. See, it doesn't change the direction in the world that they move. See, I put their faces on backwards. So, I had them moving backwards, so it looked like they were... Oh, sorry. Sorry. Okay, here. So, you see how they're moving backwards now? Like their faces. So, yeah, I messed up somehow in the creation of the crabs. And they have their faces on backwards. Okay. And they're still going the same direction in the world. Yeah, you need to look at it. I did mess around with it. I was not sure how to fix that. How do I open this? There we go. Yeah, I made this little monstrosity. Okay. Why is it? Rotation, click on the crab. You know, I tried turning it around. You want me to turn it around completely? Or should I do it here? Rotation is 180. So should I make it? Oh, that's what I was doing. I was changing both of them. I was trying to fix it in both places and keeping the same problem. That's why you have to test after every little change. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna see. Let's see. Oh my gosh, that's so silly. If this... Nope. Well, no. Well, I guess because now in the code, the winner is hello. Well, that's cool. Let's see what the... That's nice. Alright. Stop this. Go back to the code, right? And... Also, this is why the physics object, the one that moves, should be not the object that holds the 3D model. Oh, okay. Is there a fixing that now? I don't know. What was this? Add in front. Add negative in front of transform. Okay. No, thank you. Lesson learned. I did like making it. It's fun. Okay, so now we'll try it.
You probably think Squarespace is just for websites, but you can also get a domain from Squarespace. Something like topfootballcamp.com for your football camp, rugbyringers.com for your rugby league, or weirdburpeecult.com for your weird burpee cult. Whatever your dream,
I know, right? Like, I actually messed with this a lot last time.
Before it's gone with offer code Make It Real for 10% off your domain.
It's like that one's shooting way that way too. Are you sure that is the correct script? Let me see. Crab movement. Yeah, that's crab movement. And that's right here. No, that's right here on the crab. Oops. Yeah, that's it. Maybe it's the wiggle, making it go backwards. Maybe I should take out the backwards move. But that's, no, that's just something I named. Well, that's the backwards move. So that's, okay, so that's defining them and this is it happening. I think I'm just gonna have to like give him something to go towards. Let's see, in the scene. Oh, I'm still torn. I wonder, is this tilted? Yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now. I'm wondering if it is tilted, making them slide. Can you tell by this? I don't know what that is. I just had to make it like the longest track ever, right? Oh no, it is crooked. I can see it. So... No, because rotation was 0. Right? But it looks... It looks like it is not... So, I forgot what this does. Alright, I'm just going to do it. I'm going to take the track down just a little bit. And I'm going to rotate it so they slide. Try to create a simple cube and attach it to it. What do you mean? Attach a simple cube to what? The movement script. Okay. create an empty, right? That'll work. Or you know what? No, I'm just gonna do what you said. Create a cube. There it is. No, you need to see it moving. Oh, okay. Okay, I got you. And then I think I'm gonna be working towards a stopping point. I just want to see them move the correct way. Okay, but it's not gonna... Is it even in the scene? Oh, I put a... Where is it? Oops. I don't know how big this is gonna end up being, but whatever. That'll change its size, right? There. So, does it... Why is it invisible? Move it, script, I mean. No, you need to see it, okay. It's invisible because it's not here. Where? There it is. Found it. Right? Okay. It has the script. Should I just press play? Huh. Well, this is set different on the crab. So, I have the crab at like 15.5 and 2. Maybe my wiggle speed is too much. Huh? I never messed with it. Okay. Look at the transformer. I already clicked play. Of the crab. Okay. It's... For some reason the there's a little crab running around like crazy. Whoa. That thing is glitched out. Oh yeah, because when I rotated the floor, it got left behind. That's not a big deal. But the box... Whoa. I got lost. The box does not appear to be moving. Poor crab. Yeah, right. Even though the move script's there. Wait, is the only... It doesn't have a rigid body. That makes sense. Right. One more try. Oh, there it goes. It's moving the right direction. With a little bit of wiggling. Well, I did tilt the floor, so... Yay. Yay! Alright. Let's spam some crabs and see... Did I think the timer already went. I can't spam. Okay. We'll stop. Wait, is it coming back this way? Okay, stop. So it means the script is working, then it must be something with the crab model. Or it was because I tilted the floor that it's moving. Let's see, because the floor is tilted now. I don't even know if the crab spawn manager... Yeah! Oh, look at that joy. I gotta change the location of the spawner. Spawn point's too low. They're spawning in the ground. And they were still going the wrong direction. I did see that. Leave the birch trees alone. Okay. Now. Well, that's not good. Now I'm not getting any. Oh no. Well, that worked, but spamming doesn't. That's weird. Oh wait, I'm not in the game. I have to actually click on the game screen. Let me see. They're kind of just all over the place. But look, as soon as the gate opens, they just go this way. It's ridiculous. If I make them any faster, it'll be... Oh, you know what? Let me try this. Okay. Stop the game. I considered locking their Y. If you can do that. Should I be on the prefab? And is that this one? I did already. Maybe that's messing it up. Let's try without. Okay. No, then they just like literally fly. I love that they're just like flying. Really doesn't make that much of a difference. I mean, they do fly out. Yeah, I was thinking that too. I was like, it's still a little better. Should freeze rotation, not position. Okay. Let me stop and try that. Why? Y rotation? Right. I don't know if X or Z or Y. But why? Alright, well, we'll try Y. I mean, it doesn't seem like it does anything. They got too much. I think the wobble script overrides any locking. So I'm just gonna undo it. There's just no point making it more confused. Maybe I want to drop the wiggle speed. And the army? Yeah. I'm gonna drop both of these to like much less and just see. And I'm going to up the speed because I liked it at 15, I think. That did all take, please. Yes. There you go. Or Y. Try various combinations. Okay. Well, that's fun. Why did my... Oh, no, that's not gonna work. What the heck? They falling out of the world. Alright. We're gonna lock that Y. Why? Because they fell out of the world. I gotta make the floor thicker. Do you apply force immediately? Oops. Wait, did I? Hmm. Hmm. Wait a second. Is there no way to make this thicker? Because you apply the force immediately instead of waiting for them to touch ground. Okay. Well, so would it be like, like if it, what is that one? So, is this it? No, this one. This one, this one. I'm starting to run out of steam. I might have to save some of these problems for another day. All right. Let's see. Let's see what they're doing again. I put the let's see. So I and locked the Y rotation and I'm going to test it. Okay. I'm gonna pull this out of the ground and worry about the camera. Where's this? Let's make sure where this is located. That should be okay, right? And let's see what happens. I just want to leave this where I actually know. Whoa. Yeah, no. Okay, stop. It's got to be the position, not the rotation, I think. I don't know why, but I went through this before. Like, I've been going through with these things. Like, call it the demon crab game or something. This is just crawling on the wall. How is it so different? Oh, I put so much more force into it because it's at 15. Oh, I forget that the whole physics implies more than just a little force. There's like repercussions to the force you use, as we see maddening repercussions. Okay, stop this. Let's go back to 5. I remember that Unity was identical. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I'm the worst. Okay. Sorry, you missed the madness. Terrible. I should set my screen up to have the things side by side. But would it be too small? I think. Look at this. I did lower the force. I need to reposition the spawner because they're staying in the air since I locked it. Oh, but that won't work because then they'll be floating at the end of the track if it's slanted. By the way, the main problem is that while they fall, they rotate, and while they rotate, they push forward because you don't wait for them to touch the ground. Okay. So we gotta put like an if statement if they before the force. So if they feel the ground, then they can do the walking thing. So if a crab is rotating and push forward. Yeah, my suggestion is to use raycast. Okay, so I'm gonna try locking both of these. And then, yeah, I don't know. Raycast? Is that where? It points towards a certain object. I think it would mess up the race factor. Well, it's a little less chaotic. The rotation is getting locked. Not really. Oh, only in one direction. It's getting locked. So lock all of them. So it doesn't rotate at all. It stays just the way it was. But a little, well, yeah, it's gonna have to. Let's see. It's like little army. If you want, I have the script underhand. Yes. At this point, I want help. Yes. I do want to. Yes, please. All right. Opening Discord. Yay. That's the base you need to adapt it for your needs. Thank you. Using Unity. So, public class. Terrain detector. So, terrain detector. That's what we'll call it. Create a new monoscript. All right. There it is. Yeah. Had a quick. Okay. So now, Control A and V. Right? And so, cast a ray straight from. Let me guess. Did I do things wrong? My suggestion is to implement inside movement 1. You wait for the crab to hit the terrain. Disable the if maybe by setting a book false and then start the physics apply. Yeah. I'm like, okay, so thanks. I was just trying to figure out how to break down my questions one by one. Um, that's okay. That's okay. I'm getting to a stopping point. I have lunch on its way and I'm going to be needing to re-energize myself. I'm just like so low energy today. Need to take my vitamins, get my B12s back. I used them all up. So, was I supposed to make a separate script for this, or should I have put this inside crab movement? Okay. Well, let's see. So, I'm just gonna start adding it over. Just yell at me when I make a mistake. Let's see. I don't think I need. Oh wait, no. Then I need all this, but edited. So detect terrain, and then oh, so it says vector 3 down is raycast. Hmm. It's if I have like a vague understanding of it as like um out in front of you and then down, I guess. And yeah. Nope. Yep, nope. Yep. Mm, no, I was thinking of vector 3. I'm an idiot. Yes. In a okay. Yes. Mm-hmm. Okay. Then return whatever game object was along the ray in that direction. Okay. Detect when it hits the floor. Oh yeah. If hit collider compare. Train walking on train. Do so I need to tag the floor. So you can cast downward and check when you have a small distance with the ground. Oh, this means the crab is on the ground. Yes. Okay. So inside crab movement. Does it need does it need the void update also? Do I need to put detect terrain? Oh, yes, I would. Because it's telling it on update to come look at this whole little section. Then in the fix update, you can start to apply the force. Hmm? So, hopping over to crab movement. So, should I put it right between start and fixed update? Or does it not really matter? Because you want to check it before. Hmm? And then, it doesn't matter? It does matter. And then just, wait, hmm. There is no void update. There's just void start. So it's going to get a void update. Copy. Yes. Uh, and save. Then minimize. Wait, yeah, minimize. I'm gonna exit this one. Don't save. And then minimize. And I'm gonna delete this because I didn't need it. Delete, delete. All right. So let's see. Now we will test. Mm, they look better. I'm just tired. I forgot what I'm supposed to be even looking for on these things to be doing. They didn't go through the floor. That's good. I think I still have them all locked. So I'm gonna go over here to the prefab and unlock these and see what happens. Well, the thing is set up. Yeah, it is set up. It don't. Oh, I never tagged the terrain. Hold on. You simply copy paste it. I did simply copy paste. I was too tired to set them up side by side. I never added the if, and I also never tagged the floor. So let's do that one real quick. What are we calling it? Terrain. Terrain. Save. All right, back to the code. Well, the thing is set up, you paste it, and you never added the if in the fixed update. Haha, haha, haha. If detect terrain, right? So, oh, probably I thought about it, but hey, here now. I thought it was gonna be a short one too, but one of the streamers I have followed her since like she had 100 people and she has like 6,000 now. Um, she was having a bad day today, and she got on stream and she was like, you know what, I'm having a bad day, but I'm good enough to show up for you guys. And I was thinking to myself, I'm like, that got me, you know, that that got me. I was like, yes, don't be lazy. All right. But I am on like zero, zero energy right now. All right, so if, and all these little brackets and stuff is gonna have to be put, right? Like all this will go in the brackets under the if statement. If I'm correct. Uh, like right here. Is this where I do the if? If. Um. What is the thing? Yeah, but she didn't working on a game while also not knowing the underneath language and very small experience with the engine. Yeah, you're right. She's a cozy Minecraft player. And she was playing Wordle. But it's not about that. I do what I do. She does what she does. But it's not giving up. It's the not giving up. You know, you um what is it? Excuses grow, you know? So even if I have a bad stream or I barely get anything done, I still did it. What? I don't know. Well, I don't know what you're trying to say. No, I'm not. You know I'm not an engineer. Like seriously. Uh, hmm. All right. So it's a common joke between engineers that we like to suffer. Hmm. Yeah. Oh, that's good. Probably because you keep your sense of humor. You know, just no stress. So that is the wrong place to put the if. I figured. That's why I didn't keep writing. I was like, I already know I'm doing wrong. Okay. It's in here, right? Also, you do if, but if what? Well, yeah, I knew I needed to write more. I I just don't know how to tell it what I'm thinking, you know? It's like if detect terrain, if checks if an expression is true. Okay. So if hit collider compare tag, walking on terrain. Yeah. Hit hit true. If raycast hit true, that'd be it. Like no, if detect terrain hit in which box is in which box you are operating. Box hit is defined inside detect terrain. No, yeah, but you are inside fixed update. Okay. So fixed update isn't looking for the if. Detect terrain will have the if. Huh. Inside the hit collider, you could set a bool to true and in fixed update check if that bool is true. What do you think? Hit. Oh man, I'm sorry. So when you say inside hit collider, You mean right here? Inside the color, you could set a bool to true. And in fixed update check. Okay. Okay. I just had to say it 5 times. So just bool equals true, right? As soon as I said right, false pops up on the screen. Fate is mocking me. Huh? No bool is the type you need. A variable. Okay, I see you put it there. Okay. Okay. I need a variable. Okay, so hit. If it equals hit, okay. Follow this. Under serialized field, private float, ray distance, add private bool is on ground equals false. Wait. Inside the if, right, is on the ground equals true. So right here. And this is the if you're talking about for the is on ground. Okay. Inside. No. No, I'm forcing myself. You're not forcing me. You're helping me, and I'm very grateful for your help. I semi feel like it's just really not getting in today. I'm sorry. I don't want to be ungrateful for your time. Add the private bool thing. Private bool thing, yes. So under serialized field. Okay, there it is. Bit float ray distance. Well, that's weird. Don't worry, if I taught it was a waste of time, I wouldn't be a sub, nor I would have made the chat system. Thank you. All right. What was I writing? Bool is, nope, on the ground. And I'm missing these. It will yell at me. Move the duplicate ray distance. What? Duplicate ray distance. Oh. So do I get rid of the serialized one? I guess? Or the private? Oh, which one do I get rid of? Or do I just, huh? Okay. and add equals false to the is on ground. Mm. Right here. Oh wait, nope, nope. I know what you mean. You meant at the top. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It is on ground right here. Right in front of me. Right? Mm-hmm. Because it has to start out one way. Okay. Yay. Yay. All right. Now in the fixed update. Yes. If huh is on the ground. In this way, we say the unity to leave earlier to fixed update if the variable is on the ground is false. Like that. Now, do I have to move all this into brackets? Oh, wait. Is that what this meant? No? Okay. We did what is called earlier return. Cool. All right, I'm gonna save this. And we said skip it if it we said skip it if is false. Okay, tag the ground as terrain. I did. See, I did one thing right. All right, so now test. I'm testing. Huh. Well, that one wants to go. Look at that one. It's climbing the wall. It. I'm almost about to be like, okay, let's just make them all go towards one object and then have random speeds. So it's just like a luck system. It doesn't not physics randomness. Oh wow, they took off as soon as that thing went up. And the winner is Test Crab. Like the one going sideways. That is just, I mean, okay. Well, they don't look like racers. They get stuck. Okay. Okay, let's stop this and look at the prefab real quick. I don't know if it's locked, unlocked. What have I done? Okay, it's completely unlocked. So that's not affecting it. Move, wiggle, ray distance. Maybe that needs to get. Oh, you know what? How about I freeze the rotations and then see if they land upright and move nicely? Maybe? Hmm? What demonic entity has taken control of this game? That's funny. Okay. Now they're not going anywhere. By the way, oops. If I got the code up, sorry. Unity and download. Wait, you're downloading Unity? Good. Huh. Alright, we'll stop this. Unfreeze these. And then try it. Let's see. I have brought you to the dark side of Unity. Nope, they get stuck on their face. So stop. Let's try this. Test it. Well, that's a little nicer, but they're not moving. Let me see. Hey, I was working in Unity even before high school. Okay. All right. Which one was it? No, I don't like that. So let's try. Let's try this and see what it looks like. I think the X is the one that's keeping it from moving forward. I mean, or like was making them all stand still. There we go. Oh, they're stuck behind that invisible border. They can't pass till the time starts. Oops. And they got like a weird, like you can tell they're trying to go somewhere. It's just, why that way? Almost makes me want to just like turn the whole track around. Like, would it just, wait a second, open the prefab. Did you put the colliders correctly? I don't know. What's correctly? See, like I would look at it and be like, what's correct? There's this, there's two box colliders. I have two box colliders. I just saw. in a box around the whole crab, not a random shape. Hmm? Um, I don't know what I was thinking when I made this. So I made this crab probably at like 11 o'clock at night, you know, is when I was finishing it up. Um, so am I safe to delete this box collider right here? Because there's like two that have me confused. What? I don't love birch. If you thread the cherry trees, those would be fighting words. We turn it into a player versus player world. Yeah, you just need a single one around the crab. Okay, I'll remove that one. Okay, look at this. What kind of crazy? What did I think? I think I thought that that would be the part touching the finish line. I think that was my geniusness. Come on, why is Edit Collider not letting me edit it now? What the heck? Oh, there we go. Okay, then deforestation of the cherry tree biome. No, you never. I hope. What? No. Why? Why is this being difficult? What? There it is. It's like, was it this one? Because of the making a 3D object plus physics, reason 2 on why they should be separated. Hmm. Hey, this was my first thing I made, other than a capsule that had eyeballs. I'm. I really wouldn't be able to fix this. It seems like all I'd have to do is just drag, like, make an empty. Or you can't make things here? Um, I don't feel like you're criticizing me. I like joking. As much trouble as this crab gave me, like, is it in the ground? Did I just realize that this thing, is that why it always spawns so low? Wait a second. Hmm. Yeah, I think it was. It's so hard to tell with these lines. It doesn't really show you when it goes in the ground. I feel like I'm under the ground right now. Like, definitely feel like I'm under the ground. I was definitely under the ground. I think a little above the ground would be better than being in it, right? Is there a way to, like, make the floor look different? No. Mm. Well, I think I'm gonna call it. Thanks for a good reason I would need the whole project underhand. Right, I'm saving. I'm gonna test one last time. Let's see if this fixed it, and then I'm done. Maybe I'll hop on Discord later or something and eat some lunch. So, file, save, test, and then that will be that. Well, that's... Now they're not moving anywhere. I think that's because of the lock position. Alright. Well, that's that. I am going to stop before I make more mistakes. Thank you for all your help. Bye-bye.